Juzu Bekunore, Adam Hadibajong, Thandapani, Post Office Barlongpher, Dist.Karbi Assam, Jidu Fulsen Chakma Arot Haloge 57 Jon, Thara Agonde Jagani Madi patta Hevate, Thara Honorable Guwahati High Court do a can case file Guchundu, Shroddio Prevalbandi guidance. Janonaki 4th of November 2024 Honorable Guwahati High Court do hearing allo, Ezo say Sale.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, petitioners are scheduled tribe forest dwellers belonging to Chakma community residing in the Barlongpher District Council Reserve Forest in the Karbi.
Okay, affidavit
Not filed, Lordship.
file
Not filed.
over the main respondents.
Everyone has appeared on the first day, Lordship.
We'll deal with forest, right?
Forest.
Standing Council Forest, KAAC.
KAAC, Lordship.
Who is KAAC?
For
KAC, CAC is
G.
Names are shown.
file affidavit. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
No, who are the responsible?
J. Chutia. J. Chutia
Yes.
appeared on last occasion for respond number 3 and 6.
No, who according to you, Mr. Council,
Lordship.
are the main respondents?
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Lordship. 3 and 4.
Land is, I think, their subject matter.
And also DC, Lordship, respond number 4.
Yes, Samesh Borua. You have been roped in.
Karbi Anglong
And forest, any forest?
land
Okay.
regarding
Mr. DJ Sharma, Dr. DJ Sharma, Legal Aid Council
Legal Aid Council. Lord.
for the respondents, for the petitioners is present. Though the respondents were directed to bring their stand by filing affidavits by today. Filing their affidavits, come on. None of the respondents has filed their affidavits. Post of Ms. S. Borua, Junior Government Advocate, representing the respondent number 4.
4.
4
4.
has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondent. Similarly, the learned standing council of G. Hazarika, standing council revenue department for respondent number 2 is in attendance. However, the learned standing council environment and forest department representing respondent number 1 and the learned standing council KAAC representing respondent number 1 and 5. 1, 5, and 6. And the learned standing council KAAC are found absent to their on-call post. The state respondents are also granted 3 weeks time to file their respective counter affidavits without fail. By the next date of listing. This is the case after 3 weeks.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will file the affidavit.
You are deputy commissioner, you also filed.
Lordship, another writ petition is pending, Lordship. That was also filed by the Chakma community set of Chakma community people, Lordship. That is 6426 of 23. So
Let affidavit be filed. Affidavit filed there.
not filed, Lord.
Item 39.
Obliged.